Hey everybody, and welcome to another edition of Where the Heck Are the Albans? And where the heck are the Albans? We're at home. It's starting to feel a little like spring. We've had a couple of days of over 40 degrees and it's refreshing. Okay, so we are going to make a corned beef tonight. Getting close to St. Patrick's Day, you may want to try this recipe. It's a little different than the normal way because I don't boil it, but let's show you how it's done. So I already have the corned beef in the oven. It's been in there for about 5 hours. So let's take it out. All right, I wrap my corned beef in tin foil completely, put it in a rimmed pan, and I put it in the oven for, it goes in a total of 6 hours. But I put it in for 5 hours, and then at the 1 hour mark, I take it out. I gotta use...
What temperature?
Oh, at 250.
Okay.
I take it out. I gotta use my my glove, my glove, for this because I need the dexterity, but the protection. And we uncover our corned beef. Look at that. Look at how beautiful that looks. So let's... Woo! All right, we're gonna get a bottle of beer. I'm gonna open up the beer. I'm gonna pour that all on there. Okay, so now we're in a bowl. We're gonna take a mixture of brown sugar. I don't have exact measurements for this because I already know Matt's gonna go, how much?
Just eyeball it.
Eyeball it. You're gonna cover the top of your corned beef. So that's brown sugar and mustard. Okay. Normally I would use Dijon mustard. I don't have it today. Mustard. Obviously, all to taste. Stir that around. Make a paste. We have a very yappy neighbor dog today.
Okay.
And now we're going to slather this all over our corned beef. And then uncovered, we are going to put it back in the oven for 1 hour.
It's still at 250?
No, we're going to turn up the heat to 350. So that's going to go in for another hour, and while we wait for that to cook, we are going to boil, just basic boiling, some potatoes and carrots. Okay, so our corned beef is still corned beefing in the oven, and I have my water boiling. I'm going to add some salt. I always make a mess. Ooh, toil, toil. Bubble, bubble, toil, and trouble. That's what I was trying to think of. Okay, so I got my carrots and potatoes washed, and I'm going to add them to the pot. And we're just basically boiling these. I mean, this certainly isn't rocket science. But it is a little hard to get them in the pot. So let them boil away, probably 10-15 minutes. Okay, I'm going to drain our potatoes and carrots because they're done. Potatoes and carrots.
Mm.
Oh, we're not cabbage people, so I don't make it. The kids kind of tolerate sauerkraut, but they don't really eat it. So I don't make cabbage. So if you wanted to do cabbage, you could put your cabbage in with your potatoes and carrots. Just took our corned beef out of the oven, and I'm going to, look at how nice that looks.
That is pretty.
And I'm going to put it on cutting board. And we're gonna slice it up. That should do us for right now. All right, and that is corned beef.
So we don't get fancy in the house. We just eat off of our paper plates, so less dishes, but we'll show you what it all looks like together.
Yeah. So that is how I make my corned beef and carrots and potatoes, no cabbage. But you can use it for Valentine, or you can make it for St. Patrick's Day or any other day you want. So
Or Valentine's Day.
Valentine's Day. It depends on really how much you like corned beef. So if you like what you see, give us a big old thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe down below. Keep it safe, keep it sexy. If you need a P.O. box for any reason, it's listed below with the recipe. And see you next time on Where the Heck Are the Albans. Bye, guys.